In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Ledger Live on Windows. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the official Ledger website. There's a link down below you can use to come to the website. And also, if you make any purchases of any Ledger device, you can get them at the best price via my link down below and also support the channel that way. So, once you are on their website, you want to hover over Apps and Services, and here it says Ledger Live. Simply click on that, and it's going to take you to a separate page where you have to select what you actually want to download Ledger Live for. So here you can select any of your operating systems. I have Windows, so I'm going to click on download for Windows, and then it's going to download Ledger Live onto your computer. Here you simply want to click on it, and it's going to open up a window where you actually have to install it first. So it's going to look like this, and then simply select where you want to install and then click on install. And then after that's done, you'll basically have Ledger installed on your computer. And then if you search for it down here, there we go, Ledger Live, you can basically just open it up, and then it's going to ask you to set up your device, okay? So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.